hindi pa po tapos ang ating programa dahil ang Itchy Worms po ay dito. Ayan. O, para sa inyo talaga yun. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga taong tumulong at nag-organize ng event na ito. Kay Councilor Alma Moreno, thank you very much. Nakita natin siya kanina on stage. And of course, thank you kay Councilor Bong Benson, Barangay Captain Jeremy Marquez, Kagawad Carlo Bernabe, Kagawad Fred Lazatin.
I'd like to acknowledge the Universal College under Mr. Domingo Tai. Palakpakan naman natin.
Thank you, Mayor. Ang Universal College at dito rin po. At of course, si Kagawad Eric Fructuso. Ayan, thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Siyempre kay Mayor, congratulations sa City of Parañaque. Ang galing. And of course, sa Youth and Sports Development Office of Parañaque. Congratulations. Sila ang punong abala sa event na ito. Okay. And thank you very much again to the Engineering Department, the Health Department, the Fire Department,